Hey y'all, this is Myckayla J back with a new video. So in today's video I am reviewing another synthetic wig that was sent out to me. Now the wig is from ReadyWig, and this is the packaging that it came in. I also received the information for the wig, and I also have their social tags on here as well, and basically just how to take care of the wig all together. Now this wig is so nice. This wig is 24 inches. It is long, but it's not too long at all to me. It's still in this packaging. I didn't take it out fully, so let's take it out and view it and see how it looks. That is out the way. I got it out of the packaging, and the hair is super soft. Like it's supposed to be 24 inches, but it doesn't really look 24 inches to me. It looks like a 22 inch, but the hair, it doesn't even feel like synthetic hair. It feels like human hair, honestly. And I wish you guys can feel it right now because the hair is super soft, and I'm hoping that the camera is picking up how soft the hair is. I basically can run my hands through this wig pretty easily. Now the front of the wig is pre-plucked, which is pretty good. I really don't have to do much to the wig. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is like pre-plucked. And the parting space inside, oh my goodness, like I love a big parting space because that means you can do way more with the wig. Of course, it has the 2 combs on the side, and it has the 1 comb in the back, and also it has the drawstrings like any other wig in the back would have. That was right here. Like any other wig will have. And I usually use the drawstrings. I never really use the combs, so that's really good. The hair is just so soft. Like I know it's gonna look nice. So guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. Before I even start, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe to this channel if you like the content that I'm putting out. And I need you guys to go ahead and hit the notification bell, so every time I post, you guys are notified and you can go ahead and jump on over and watch my videos. I know I haven't been here for a while, but I am back and I am posting every single week guys. So now that we got all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now the review on the wig. Okay, first let me say that this wig is so soft. It's like I never had a synthetic wig that was so soft before. Like it does not feel like synthetic hair at all. Synthetic hair is soft, but this is way softer. It reminds me of human hair, like my human hair wigs. It just, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. I cannot believe how nice it looks. My camera died in the middle of me doing this wig, but you really didn't miss anything. I didn't even have to pluck the wig. All I did was put a little bit of powder in the front. I don't know if, I feel like on camera is picking up to be way lighter than it is in person, because in person it looks perfect. Like you can't see anything, but on camera I feel like it's picking up a lot and you can kind of see it, but in person that's not how it is at all. I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and show you how long the wig is. Again guys, I am about 5'6", so the wig, it starts pretty long. it kind of touches my, yeah, it touches my butt area, but it's not too far down. It's like the perfect length. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Like, I don't even know if you guys can even see how soft it is on camera. Like, it's so soft. Like, oh my gosh, I was very shocked. Again, I never heard of this company before, but ReadyWigs, they have so many wigs on their website, different colors, different lengths, different textures. They have so many options to choose from. This wig is priced at $44. Oh my gosh, I didn't even show you the parting in this wig, because I'm all for the parting when it comes to wigs. So let's part this wig. I haven't even parted it yet. The baby hairs, they went all over the place, but then again, I didn't tie it down long enough for it to dry because I was impatient, but it would definitely work out. So I don't know if you guys can see the parting space, but it goes all the way back. Okay, so this is the parting space. I don't know if you guys can see it because I didn't pluck anything in the front, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but it goes all the way back, all the way back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has so much parting space. Oh, it kind of even, oh, I kind of like it in the front too. Like, it's so pretty. So you can part it different ways. Let me show you guys. And I love how it's giving me that messy look. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So of course the sides, it stops right here. The middle goes down a little farther, but you can part it any which way you want to part it. That's like the best part of the wig, because that's how it looks natural. So I like the pullover method because it just looks like messy. I was about to say dirty, but it looks messy. It looks effortless with me doing the, is it the pullover method? I hope I'm saying it right, but I'm gonna just keep saying the pullover method because that's what I'm thinking in my head. But it is the pullover method. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, so soft, the perfect length. So on the website, this wig is priced at $44. It's on sale as of right now, and they did give me a coupon code as well to give to you guys, so that is amazing. Always good to get it cheaper, and it's already on sale, so that is amazing. So I'm gonna have the link, and I'm also going to have the coupon code in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and click it and go ahead and purchase this wig, because this wig is amazing. This wig did not take long to get to me at all. It took 3 days for it to get to me, which is perfect timing. Again guys, I'm gonna have all the information, all the specs on this wig and the coupon code down below. Again guys, this wig is already on sale, and also for it to be on sale and to get the coupon code to make it even cheaper, guys, come on now. This wig is perfect. It's so soft, it's so free and flowy. It doesn't even look like a synthetic wig. You about to fool everybody. So guys, get on it. Purchase this wig, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you liking these videos. Let me know if you're feeling these wig videos or not. And also hit the notification bell, just so every time I'm posting, you guys can be alerted every single time, so you can be the first ones to come over and like and comment on this video. Again guys, my name is Myckayla Lajay, and I definitely thank you guys for tuning into this channel.